for clicking on my video. So welcome to a new vlog. So we are starting off this vlog on a Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday, so happy Tuesday to you all. So I'm going to this brand, well, it's not brand new, well, it's brand new to me because I haven't been. It would be my first time, and also my first time having Cuban food. So it's a Cuban restaurant. I'll put the name of it, I don't remember it right now. And they're having Taco Tuesday plus Latin dance, Latin lessons, something along that line. So I'm super excited. I've been wanting to go to this restaurant for months. So now, I've decided, hey, I'm gonna go. It's time, it's summer, why not? So you guys saw me when I got dressed earlier. I'm just wearing something simple. It's definitely not giving Latin vibes, but I just wanna, based on how I'm feeling right now, I just wanna dress simple and cute at the same time, right? So we're wearing this, what's this called? I don't know, marina type vibe. I tied it at the front because it's definitely long with this skirt. I think this is, I can't remember the skirt. It's probably Primark, whatever that UK brand is. And with regular gold sandals and my bag with, gotta have my watch. So that's the vibe that we're working with today. So yeah, I should be able to sell little since I have on a skirt. I'm gonna try to learn some moves tonight. And by the way, I am super hungry, so gotta have some tacos when I get there. Well, it was supposed to be me alone, but I think my cousin is coming along, so it should be two of us just hanging out for tonight. And so we're gonna come together. I'm gonna bring you guys to the restaurant. We're gonna see what the vibe is like. I'll tell you guys about the food. And yeah, let's go to a Cuban restaurant, Latin dance class, and yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. What you doing? Where you at? You guys, so you can't see me, but I have arrived. So let's go in and see what the Latin vibe is all about. Yay! You guys can hear me, but this drink is called Spirit Mojito and it's $1,000 for it. Oh, it's not bad. Hey guys, so happy Saturday to you. Happy Saturday, y'all. Hope y'all weekend is going well, Saturday is going well, and all of that. So we in this mirror, so y'all know what that means. I am going out on a solo vibe tonight. Solo date. Yep, solo date. So let's get into the food. We're not fully ready yet because I can't decide which bag to wear. So let me show you the full fit, and then I think after that I'll probably decide what to wear on what bag to bring. So we're in this cute long dress, no makeup. We did put in our clip-ins not too long ago, and I did my lashes that I got from Shein. and we're wearing this Calvin sandals. So let's get into the bag because I'm still confused as to what to wear, because it depending on the bag, the type of jewelry from sorry, based on the bag, it depends on the jewelry we're gonna wear, if it's either silver or gold. So this is the first bag that we have going on, and this definitely goes with the vibe of the dress. Silver, and the shoes is already white and black, so it's giving a vibe, right? It's giving a vibe. Let's go to the other bag. And then we got our white back here, which is gold. And let me just dress back so y'all can see. What do y'all think? I'm kind of leaning more towards the white because it gives a little pop, you know? This is definitely like, if I want to go all black, this bag would definitely do with my silver watch, but I don't know, the white is giving a little bit, but then again I feel towards this bag, I don't know, I'm still confused, but I think I'm gonna just go with the white because this bag is definitely small. I need to hold my car keys and all of that, and like I said, I'm going out solo today, so I think this bag would just do, and it just gives a little pop, and then, you know, there's a little white in the sandals, so I think I'm gonna do that. So let's put she down, and yeah, no makeup, and I think this will do with some gold jewelry. I'm gonna put in my earring and all of that. So yeah, it gives it a little pop, even though I think the other band works a little bit better, but we're going with the white, we're sticking to this. I am not changing. So I'm gonna put in my jewelry, and then we are gonna head out. I still haven't decided, y'all, which restaurant I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna scroll through Instagram and then just pick one. Secondly, I only had breakfast from morning. I haven't had anything else, so the belly empty. The woman on the belly say feed me, and then I need to drop off something by my mother. So I'm gonna just quickly run through Instagram again, choose a place, drop off something by my mother, and then we're gonna head out on our solo vibe. So yeah, let's go. Y'all, so I am, are you guys super proud of me? I bought a thing to my phone to go on the, what is this person doing? Oh my god, I don't think so I'm listening to the radio, right, and they're talking about spinning the block, you know, and if that's something that they will do or not. So have y'all ever spin the block and go back to your ex? Like, have y'all, yo, this thing is not working properly. Yeah, so have y'all ever done that, spin the block? Listen, me spin the block, like me and Mrs. Queen of spinning the block. Like, I don't know what is the problem, but I just keep on going back. I keep on making a step back to the exes. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe it's a Pisces in me. I think it's a Pisces in me, you know, because I always spin in the block for some reason. I don't know how that always happens. It just always works out that way, that I'm just going back to exes. I don't know, it's so weird. And it's not like, you know, when I'm single, I like meet people that could have been a potential. It's just never that. It's just always I'm single, and then whoops, I spin the block back to the ex, because, you know, no one was in the picture either way. So I don't know, but let me know if y'all, you know, like go back to the exes. I mean, I know there's a good notion, yeah, there are ex for a reason, but I don't know, I keep re-spinning the block multiple times, like. Okay, I am here, y'all. I am here. I'm gonna go to Chez Maria. That's the restaurant I chose, but I got parking over 22 Jerk on Barbican, and it's so I'm gonna go over there, go peek and see what's going on over 22 Jerk, and then I go to Chez Maria. Over there sounds like a nice vibe. Alright, so I'm at Chez Maria, y'all, and I'm sitting outside. I think outside is a little bit too noisy. I probably should have gone inside, but because they play music at the bar, so hopefully, you know, you guys can hear me. So I've been sitting here for like 3 minutes now and no menu. So I'm just waiting to see somebody gonna offer me a menu, because what the hell? Alright, y'all, so I am finished eating, but yeah, man, I'm ready. The service is kind of slow, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so we're leaving right now. I think that's it for the night. I was gonna go somewhere else, but I'm feeling super tired, I'm really full, so it's been time. But solo date was a success.